if you have been practicing your WordPress like I know you have, you realize that when you are using edit with Elementor, not everywhere you can edit. There are some parts you simply cannot edit. Typical examples are the header, this side, and then the footer. You want to edit, you cannot edit it. Example, if you click on edit with Elementor here and you want to edit the home page, that's what you get. So you see where's my icon? Where's my menu? I can't access them. Okay, let me see if I can go and edit my footer. You come to the footer too. You realize that after this thing, after the drag widget here, everything under, you can see it, but you can't really edit it. You can't really edit it. The editing is just click and edit, but you can't really edit it. These are links, so when I click it, it will send me somewhere. But I can't edit this text. But if I come here and click on the text, I can just change the subscribe to something else. But this one, I simply cannot edit it. Some parts of the some parts of your web page, you cannot edit it like that. You cannot edit with Elementor, like the header and the footer, a typical example. So how do we edit those parts? How do we access those parts? We use this feature, customize. It has a paintbrush and we've written customize. So when you click on customize, it brings you to this page. It looks like the edit with Elementor. But this one looks so when you click the customize, it opens this page for you. I've already clicked on it. When you look at it, it really looks like the edit with Elementor, because you have your things here and then the pages here. It works the same way. If you want to edit anything, it's as simple as anything. You can come here and come and go to what you want to edit. So if you want to edit global items, the header, footer, the site identity, menus, widgets, what and what, you can click on it and then go and do your edit. But there's even a simpler way of doing it, just like the Elementor. You can just click on it and then you edit. As simple as that. So if I want to edit this logo, I'll just click on the edit, the pencil here, and then it opens where I can edit the logo. I can change the logo, I can move the logo. As simple as that. If I want to edit the position of the menu, I just click here. I'll change the width. I want a divider. I want something to divide them. I can just click on it and then I'll get a divider. Anything you want can be done. Anything. You can change the design. Maybe if you want, when you hover your mouse, you want it to zoom in, can be done for you. So when you save it and then let's publish it and see if there's a difference. So when you hover our mouse on our page, you should see some, on our menu, you should see some difference. You should zoom the menu in. So you can see it here. It's big now. So you can make any change you want. Any change you want at all. Let's send it back to them now. Any change you want at all. All right. Let's see if you can edit something down there too. So you go to the footer and then you can click on maybe this. Click on the edit. So I'll click on my edit. Okay, got it. And then I'll be able to access the text here and then edit it accordingly. So yes, this is my text. So our mail is mail@obusy.com, not example.com. Can change it. And that's all. When I finish, I'll just publish it. Sorry. I'll just publish it and then that's all. That's all. So now you have mail@obusy.com. obusy.com. It's published. So you can change anything. You can even change the icons here. So if I want to edit it, I'll just click on this edit button. Let's say we don't have, what don't we have? Let's say we don't have Facebook. I can always cancel the Facebook from here. You can also add any icon that you want to add. So you can just add the social icon. You can change the position by drag and drop. So now you have the ability to edit things here. You can change the alignment and all that. So that's how it is. So if you want to edit something at the front end, simply put, if you want to edit something at the front end and you realize that the Elementor doesn't touch that place, Elementor is not able to edit that place, please try the customize, the paintbrush, the customize. Chances are you'll be able to edit that page. There are some things you cannot just click and then edit like we did for the other ones. So you have to come here, know where it is, and then make the changes. I'd recommend that you go through this things, see what each one does, and then get familiar with it. But I'll teach you the main ones we usually use. Example, global. Global allows you to make changes that affect every part of the website, not just one page. So when I come to click on global, I can click on typography. I'll be able to change all the fonts in the website. So now this is what we are using, our pop-ins. I can change it to another one. And then every font on the website you change. You can change the size, the line weight, the paragraph, what not. You can change every font here. And then the beauty is that when you make one change, it affects every part of the website. You realize I told you about colors, that we'll be able to change the colors here. Yes, you can be able to change the colors. Maybe you don't like this kind of yellowish color. You want a bluish one. You can just come here and change the color you want. Or you can manually come here and then change the color you want. One by one, the side background, everything. You can change it here and then it affects everything on your website. I think I like the color, so I'll leave it like that. So yeah, a lot of things you could change. One other thing that we usually do when we come here is that we come to site identity. It tells you what you want to see here. So you want to see our site title, our logo. And then there's something called site icon, or what we call favicon. There's that small icon that is at the top here, at the bar here on your browser. That small icon, you realize that if it's Google, you see Google, or if it's YouTube, you see YouTube's icon small here. That's a site icon. So you can select one, maybe from your media library, and then you put it there. So let's say you want to use this for our site icon. You select it, and then this is how it will appear. So small like this, and this is how it will appear on phone. But we don't want it like this. It doesn't look so nice. I want to see if I can be able to crop it. Crop image. Yeah. So when it comes like that, usually you're able to crop it to the part you want to use. So let me see if I can get another image that I can crop. So let's select this and see. I'm still unable to crop the image. So if you get the size you want, maybe just the icon, then you crop it. And then it looks nice. They will show you how it should look on the browser and then on the phone. So that's how it is. As simple as that. You can be able to change your site icon. I think the reason why I'm not being able to crop this is because of the file format, .svg. Maybe if it's JPEG, it will be, yes, PNG, that's fine. PNG, that's fine. Let's use one of the PNGs. So let's use this. Yeah, so this one we can be able to crop it. So then let's use it like this. I think it's fine. It's good to me. So let's crop the image. So when you are doing, find a very nice image and then use it there. When you publish it, you have that small icon there. So usually those are the things we do when you come to the customize. Another great thing here is additional CSS. Sometimes you want to add some CSS code to give it some little style, and you come to the additional CSS, then you add a code here. I also want to point one thing out before we end. And before I point it out, if it's not already done, so subscribe, like, comment. If let's say you want to make edits here, realize that when I clicked on it, there are things that you can see here. So now here we have get a quote, a button here, and then when you check here, you can see the things we have here. You have our primary menu here, our site title and logo. So let's say we want to take the get a quote off. You can just click on it, and then there's nothing here. Now our menu is here nicely. We can bring our menu here. If you don't want it to be in the middle, you can always come and add menu. And then if you want it to be in the middle like it is, you can leave it like that. Maybe let's say you want to add something else here. Let's see what we can add there. And just click here. Let's add some social icons here. So social, you see that your icons will come very beautiful. So you can make those kind of changes. You can even change it on the top row or the down. It will either come to the top or the down. So you can also make all these changes. So that's how to access the part that Elementor can touch. So see you in the next video. Subscribe.